Hey there, it's Kylie from WTI. So when you go to the snow, you definitely need the right gear. And I just have to tell you about these snow ski pants that I got from Aygience. These pants are very warm and breathable, and I just love how flexible they are. I can move so well in them when I'm out doing snow sports. The pants are waterproof, so if I end up getting a little buried in the snow or if I decide to sit down in the snow, I'm not going to get really cold and wet. I also really appreciate the drawstring waist. It makes it really comfortable for me overall. I noticed when I was in the snow with these pants, they kept me really warm. This inner fleece lining worked so well, and they were great when it was windy outside. So I'm 5'7", about 135 pounds, and I got the size medium because I like to have my pants a little bit bigger so I can move in them freely. But if you wanted a more snug fit and you're close to my size, you could definitely do a small. I really appreciate that these pants have multiple pockets. There is one pocket on each side and one in the back. These pants are great in the snow, but really they can be used in any kind of outdoor activity where you think you might need a warm, durable pant. I just love my snow ski pants from Aygience. They make playing in the snow super easy. I don't have to worry about getting cold or getting wet. And that's my point of view.